Hello, my name is Steven, and today I will be making caramel popcorn. Here are the ingredients: popping corn, margarine, sugar, brown sugar, vegetable oil, milk, and a cup of water. Let's begin. First, pour in your oil. Next, drop in a pinch of salt. Next, pour in your popping corn.
Oh yeah?
Turn it. Then cover it. Cover it and allow it to cook. As you can see, our corn is popping. Yeah. So this is our popcorn, but we're not done yet. We still have to prepare a mixture of our sugar, margarine, and milk in order to mix it with our popcorn in order to make caramel popcorn.
Nice one.
So the first step is to add some drop of water into our pot. Then pour in our brown sugar, followed by our white sugar. Then turn it. Then add in some butter. Turn it very well. Add in some cup of milk. Then turn it very well. Then turn off your heat. Gradually pour in your popcorn. Then mix it together. Then mix them properly together. Then mix them from the 4 different angles properly. Now our yummy caramel popcorn is ready. It's so yummy.
How was it?
Delicious. Thanks, Mommy, for helping me do my school assignments.